Did it rain yesterday? Did it rain yesterday?
Yes, it rained all day. Yes, it rained all day.
What did you do last night? What did you do last night?
I watched TV. I watched TV.
Did you enjoy the trip? Did you enjoy the trip?
Yes, it was amazing. Yes, it was amazing.
Where did you find this book? Where did you find this book?
I found it at the library. I found it at the library.
Did they win the match? Did they win the match?
Yes, they won easily. Yes, they won easily.
Did she sing at the concert? Did she sing at the concert?
Yes, and she sang very well. Yes, and she sang very well.
What did you learn yesterday? What did you learn yesterday?
I learned some new words. I learned some new words.
Did you drive to work? Did you drive to work?
No, I took the train. No, I took the train.
Where did you have lunch? Where did you have lunch?
At a small restaurant. At a small restaurant.
Did you see my keys? Did you see my keys?
Yes, they were on the table. Yes, they were on the table.
Did they enjoy the dinner? Did they enjoy the dinner?
Yes, they liked it. Yes, they liked it.
Did you catch the bus? Did you catch the bus?
No, I missed it. No, I missed it.
What did he say? What did he say?
He said he will call later. He said he will call later.
Did she cry? Did she cry?
Yes, during the sad scene. Yes, during the sad scene.
Did you bring your notebook? Did you bring your notebook?
Yes, it's in my bag. Yes, it's in my bag.
Where did you sit? Where did you sit?
Near the window. Near the window.
Did you fix the light? Did you fix the light?
Yes, now it works. Yes, now it works.
Who came to the meeting? Who came to the meeting?
My manager and team lead. My manager and team lead.
Did you open the door? Did you open the door?
Yes, I opened it. Yes, I opened it.
What did she wear? What did she wear?
She wore a blue dress. She wore a blue dress.
Do you like pets? Do you like pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
Do you call your friends often? Do you call your friends often?
Yes, I talk to them every day. Yes, I talk to them every day.
Does she sing well? Does she sing well?
Yes, she sings beautifully. Yes, she sings beautifully.
What do you wear to work? What do you wear to work?
I wear formal clothes. I wear formal clothes.
Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food?
No, I like mild food. No, I like mild food.
Do you clean your room? Do you clean your room?
Yes, every Saturday. Yes, every Saturday.
What does your dad do? What does your dad do?
He runs a shop. He runs a shop.
Do you like school? Do you like school?
Yes, it's fun. Yes, it's fun.
Do you write stories? Do you write stories?
Yes, I write short stories. Yes, I write short stories.
Did they enjoy the dinner? Did they enjoy the dinner?
Yes, they liked it. Yes, they liked it.
Did you catch the bus? Did you catch the bus?
No, I missed it. No, I missed it.
What did he say? What did he say?
He said he will call later. He said he will call later.
Did she cry? Did she cry?
Yes, during the sad scene. Yes, during the sad scene.
Did you bring your notebook? Did you bring your notebook?
Yes, it's in my bag. Yes, it's in my bag.
Where did you sit? Where did you sit?
Near the window. Near the window.
Did you fix the light? Did you fix the light?
Yes, now it works. Yes, now it works.
Who came to the meeting? Who came to the meeting?
My manager and team lead. My manager and team lead.
Did you open the door? Did you open the door?
Yes, I opened it. Yes, I opened it.
What did she wear? What did she wear?
She wore a blue dress. She wore a blue dress.
Does he like ice cream? Does he like ice cream?
Yes, he loves it. Yes, he loves it.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little. Yes, I speak a little.
Where does he work? Where does he work?
He works at a bank. He works at a bank.
Do your parents live nearby? Do your parents live nearby?
Yes, they live next door. Yes, they live next door.
Do you watch movies often? Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I watch every Friday. Yes, I watch every Friday.
Does she eat vegetables? Does she eat vegetables?
Yes, she eats a lot of them. Yes, she eats a lot of them.
Do you travel a lot? Do you travel a lot?
No, I stay home mostly. No, I stay home mostly.
Where do you study? Where do you study?
I study at the city college. I study at the city college.
Do you cook? Do you cook?
Yes, I cook dinner every day. Yes, I cook dinner every day.
Does your brother drive? Does your brother drive?
No, he rides a bicycle. No, he rides a bicycle.
Do you like tea? Do you like tea?
Yes, I drink tea every morning. Yes, I drink tea every morning.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in London. I live in London.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you work on weekends? Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs. I usually eat toast and eggs.
Does she play the piano? Does she play the piano?
Yes, she plays every evening. Yes, she plays every evening.
Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go 3 times a week. Yes, I go 3 times a week.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am a teacher. I am a teacher.
Do they have a car? Do they have a car?
Yes, they have a red car. Yes, they have a red car.
When do you read books? When do you read books?
I read books at night. I read books at night.
What do you do on Sundays? What do you do on Sundays?
I visit my grandparents. I visit my grandparents.
Do you play cricket? Do you play cricket?
Yes, with my friends. Yes, with my friends.
Where does your sister live? Where does your sister live?
She lives in Chennai. She lives in Chennai.
Do you eat out? Do you eat out?
Sometimes on weekends. Sometimes on weekends.
What music do you like? What music do you like?
I like soft music. I like soft music.
Do you walk to school? Do you walk to school?
No, I take the bus. No, I take the bus.
Does it rain here often? Does it rain here often?
Yes, almost every week. Yes, almost every week.
Do you like to draw? Do you like to draw?
Yes, I draw cartoons. Yes, I draw cartoons.
When do you sleep? When do you sleep?
At 10 p.m. At 10 p.m.
Does your mom bake cakes? Does your mom bake cakes?
Yes, she bakes on Sundays. Yes, she bakes on Sundays.
What did you write? What did you write?
I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter.
Did you clean your room? Did you clean your room?
Yes, I cleaned it in the morning. Yes, I cleaned it in the morning.
What did you buy from the shop? What did you buy from the shop?
I bought some fruits. I bought some fruits.
Did your brother call? Did your brother call?
Yes, he called last night. Yes, he called last night.
Who helped you? Who helped you?
My sister helped me. My sister helped me.
Did you feel tired? Did you feel tired?
Yes, after the walk. Yes, after the walk.
What did your mom cook? What did your mom cook?
She cooked pasta. She cooked pasta.
Did you go out last night? Did you go out last night?
No, I stayed home. No, I stayed home.
Where did they travel? Where did they travel?
They traveled to Goa. They traveled to Goa.
Did you visit Grandma? Did you visit Grandma?
Yes, she was happy to see me. Yes, she was happy to see me.
What games did you play? What games did you play?
We played carom and chess. We played carom and chess.
Did you listen to music? Did you listen to music?
Yes, I listened to some old songs. Yes, I listened to some old songs.
When did you sleep? When did you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.? Around 11 p.m.?
Did he cook dinner? Did he cook dinner?
Yes, and it was tasty. Yes, and it was tasty.
Did she laugh at the joke? Did she laugh at the joke?
Yes, she laughed a lot. Yes, she laughed a lot.
What time did it start? What time did it start?
It started at 6 p.m. It started at 6 p.m.
Did you go shopping? Did you go shopping?
Yes, I bought new clothes. Yes, I bought new clothes.
What did you see at the zoo? What did you see at the zoo?
I saw lions and elephants. I saw lions and elephants.
Did you dance at the party? Did you dance at the party?
Yes, I had fun. Yes, I had fun.
What book did you read? What book did you read?
I read a storybook. I read a storybook.
What games do you play? What games do you play?
I play chess and football. I play chess and football.
Does she swim? Does she swim?
Yes, in the morning. Yes, in the morning.
Do you listen to the radio? Do you listen to the radio?
Sometimes in the car. Sometimes in the car.
Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping?
Yes, I shop on Sundays. Yes, I shop on Sundays.
Where do you buy vegetables? Where do you buy vegetables?
At the local market. At the local market.
Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer tea. No, I prefer tea.
Do your children go to school? Do your children go to school?
Yes, they go by bus. Yes, they go by bus.
Does he come on time? Does he come on time?
Yes, he is always early. Yes, he is always early.
Do you help your mom? Do you help your mom?
Yes, I help in the kitchen. Yes, I help in the kitchen.
Do they play music? Do they play music?
Yes, they have a band. Yes, they have a band.